Stop what you're doing. Lunga Shabalala has opened girlfriend applications. You in the mood for a bite of Lunga Shabalala? Well, he's ready to take a bite. The TV presenter is ready to mingle and said that he is currently accepting girlfriend applications. He posted the breaking news on his Instagram stories. If you don't get a reply to your DM within 3 working days, consider your application unsuccessful. Shub. So just look then, huh? Obs, he got a great response. The applications I've received thus far followed by flame emoticons. Well, if you're in doubt about what's on offer, here's a look. You know, since pictures count.